We're supposed to get really, really high winds. Oh, it's actually later now. Sorry, later in the day. It's roughly 2 p.m. So just after yes, I'm supposed to get really high winds here today. So just came out, have everything anchored down. The poor roof. And the doghouse already received the storm this morning. Claire. What do you see? What is it, Layla? Branches or... I think it's the branch. What are you looking at? The branches. Seeing which one you can jump at. Mommy cracked off a few for you already that you have. Wow. Oh. This one? Oh! Yes, see? Oh! There you go. Ariel wants one. Oh, I gave you one, Claire, didn't I? Didn't you get one? Where'd you lay it to? Put it down. There's lots of sticks around the yard. I'm after cracking off for you. This is the hole they dug. But that's the spot they're allowed to dig at. This one here is one they already done months ago. Just haven't had a chance to fill it yet. Not going to bother until the spring. All outdoor stuff is done now until the spring. We're shifting gears to getting stuff indoors done now. What you got? Kenai. Kenai's up down on the patio. Hi, Kenai. What you doing? Kenai. Hi. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Yeah? What are you doing? What are you doing, Kenai? What? Did you want to come down and play? Or you want to stay up and rest? What are you doing? Oh, here's the girls. This is all leaves from raking. We got to get rid of. I still have a little bit of raking left to do, but I gotta wait for another decent day. There's not much left. I just have like up here. I'll show you. I got that there. I gotta rake up, and then I just gotta rake up this bit up here. This corner. Oh, that's good. A little bit here, and then that's it. Then that's it. All the rest of the yard is done. You know that. Yeah. Oh, you startled me. He's like, you stop that now. Don't leave her. What are they all doing? Oh, here they come. Careful. Play nice. Not too rough. Especially you, Miss Nullaby. You got to be watching it, my dear. topper doing now, is it? Ooh, that wind.
Now I need those latches. What I'm going to do is put them latches from here to this roof.
Okay.
And that should hold it all down.
It's gonna be too cold. Oh, they're all hanging around the shed, though. I can't see it. I strongly believe there's something in that shed because they hang around it all along.
I don't know what will.
How do you know?
It's the signs or?
That's probably a mouse or something.
It'll all go. They need a place to go in the winter time too. That's the way I look at it. They need a place to go in the winter time. I think it's all screwed together now anyway.
Careful.
It is.
Wow, this is extra security now.
Well, it's not going to be open to winter, so we're just going to take this off after the winter. Just like I said now, yeah, I'm going right into this roof with that screw.
Hey, baby. Miss Layla. I was curious. Can't see him. saying I'm putting on another one?
Yep.
You are?
Yep. Okay.
They're all waiting, look. They're like, yep, get us in. Cold, isn't it? Come on, babies, we go in, little ones. Hi, hi. Yes, we're gonna go in. Too cold. See, too cold. Everyone? Nope, they're back.